What is up, guys? So today we're gonna make lugaw, yeah. With so I'll show you all the ingredients. Oh no! So this chicken, carrots, cabbage, garlic, onion, and ginger, and we will have this is Polish product. What is this? Yeah, whatever.
No, whatever.
Hi guys, so today I'm gonna cook lugaw. It's a Filipino rice soup, but I will make my own version, and I will let my wife try the soup. So these are the all ingredients. So we have the chicken. I'm gonna use this cube. Carrots, cabbage, we have ginger, garlic, onion, and instead of rice I'm gonna use this it's kind of like rice, but it's like grained one, so it's all like crushed, and then we will use this seasoning and pepper, black pepper. So let's get started. Alright guys, so that's the finished product. Lugaw. Looks very nice. So I'm gonna let my wife try this later on. This is the final look. And I'm gonna squeeze a little lemon in there. Just a little bit. Very nice. guys, so I'm gonna enjoy this. Thank you for watching.
So much fun.
Hi guys, so today we're just gonna walk around the mountain. Is it mountain where we're going?
It's a small valley.
Yeah, so it's a nice view. We're gonna explore a little bit today.
Some parts they open.
It's a nice house though.
You gotta notice, hey, I'm falling in love, you're feeling something, hey, you cannot control, just in time you came, and you changed all my perspective, just in time you came, and I love it, I love it. It's so great to have in my life, make me feel so lucky, yeah. It's so great to have.
You're gonna go nowhere.
So apparently there's a bear here. I hope they're not around.
You gotta notice, hey, I'm falling in love, you're feeling something, yeah, you cannot control, just in time you came, and you changed all my perspective, just in time you came, and I love it.
Oh guys, it's beautiful here. Very nice view. What? Okay. She said there's more river ahead. Let's see. Wow, what a nice view. It's like going all the way up there. So we're just gonna go only until there because we're gonna have to head back. We cannot push the buggy here. The road is too narrow. There's so many rocks. It will be difficult for us to push. Oh.
lucky. Feel so lucky, feel so feel so lucky. Feel so lucky, feel so feel so lucky. Feel so lucky, feel so feel so lucky. Feel so lucky, feel so lucky.
Hi guys, so today we're on our way to town center, because we will just try to sort out our Wi-Fi at home so I can upload more video. So we're just gonna walk. Yeah guys, so when we get to Kutpufki, I'm gonna show you the place, because this place is a very touristic place. It's the main town center here in Zakopane, and I'll show you how quiet it is. It's only a few shops are open. So now we're just walking to get there because there is no bus, but maybe
There is
on
bus.
on the way we're gonna take the bus.
But it's less
Yeah, it's a very nice weather today. It's good to walk. It's very good that I'm wearing sunglasses and a mask, because you know, people might think like I came from China. Yeah, but look at this house, guys.
It's not house. This is like a park. Right there.
I was angry before, but I circled the drain in my mind. I can't find. Don't let the sun go down. Don't let the sun go down. I was angry before, but I circled the drain in my mind. I can't find. Don't let the sun go down. Don't let the sun go down.
Hey guys, so we just got here. My wife went inside to check if she can get the Wi-Fi contract so we can upload more videos. It's nice weather today. So we just find out this McDonald's is still open, so we decided to buy something because we are hungry.
Kurczak cukier. Ten burger.
So guys, as you can see, I'm the only tourist here. There's no tourists here. This usually a very busy touristic place. Yeah, all the shops are closed. So where are we going now?
Going to Pasko. We can buy
Okay,
the
so we will try to see if there's some shops open. Guys, so we managed to get the Wi-Fi, so we're gonna have a Wi-Fi soon. And then plus we bought some barbecue stand, so we can do some barbecue when it's nice weather again. We got some charcoal as well, and now what we're gonna have to do is collect some meat in the shop, so we can cook something for tonight and barbecue for hopefully tomorrow if the weather is nice. So yeah, I'll see you soon. Alright guys, so we finished everything what we have to do, so now we are on the way back to home. And that's it. Thank you very much for watching.